This is the iRig Stream, a great little device that allows you to stream live on social media platforms with great quality professional sound. The equipment you'll need for a live setup will be a lightning cable, an RCA to 6.35 stereo jack, the iRig Stream itself. I'm using a Focusrite sound card, low impedance mic lead, a Shure SM58 microphone. I'm using this headphone with a 3.5 mini jack. Oh, plus a USB to USB-C lead. Now, just a little bit of information about the iRig Stream device itself. It is a DC input for power lead. Loopback equalizes, mixes it so you can play and speak equally. Some social media sites don't do stereo. This mixes down into one mono signal. You have the RCA input. On the other side, you've got a mic and a headphone volume, with, of course, the 3.5 dual stereo headphone or mic socket. Nice, smooth and sturdy volume control with low or high LED lighting for indicating whether it's too high or too low. And now we're going to set up. First of all, we'll plug in the RCA to stereo jack. Next, we'll plug in the lightning cable that comes with the box. Next thing we're going to plug in, for example purpose, I'm just going to use this old iPhone. As you can see, the light has come on. Next, we're going to plug in our sound card. We're going to plug in the RCA to stereo 6.35 jack into our headphone socket in the front of the Focusrite sound card. Next, we're gonna plug in our USB to USB-C cable that goes in the back of the USB-C socket, and the USB end goes into the USB socket on your computer or laptop, whatever device you're using. Now, I've got a power lead for my Focusrite, so I'm plugging that in also. If you've got one, do the same. Next, I'm going to plug in our low impedance cable into the mic first of all. And then we'll plug the other end into the front of the Focusrite sound card. And finally, we'll plug in the headphones into the mic and earphone socket of our iRig Stream. Hi, so you've seen the setup. I've kind of cleared away the mess, and as you can see, my sound card is under here. I got my mic, got my headphones. That's pretty much it. The iRig Stream is here. I've got audio to jack going in to the iRig Stream. I've got this cable coming out of my iRig Stream into the camera. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the mic on. And yes, we're back again, and the mic sounds really nice. I'm getting a good level. We're in the green. I'm probably full up. Actually, I am the full way up. Obviously, it takes a lot. You're going to have to push the volume if you're using a standard mic. let's see how it sounds with some music. So yeah, now we've got some music. I'm slightly I have to watch I don't go too loud. Yeah, but that's the reading. The reading's still pretty good. We've got volume in the music and we've got volume in the vocals. So that's the setting and that's the sound with this mic. I'm going to plug my studio mic in now so that I can use the phantom power. Let's just try it, see if there's any difference. So I can really hear the difference now. I can hear a lot more sounds around me. I'm getting a better, nicer, richer sound. I can hear it picking a lot more up. As if I play the music, you can hear. Yeah, you can hear the music also in the background, and I'm getting a nice recording. I'm getting a nice sound now. And again now, if I wanted to plug, for example, my guitar in, simple process. We have our mic plug in, we have our guitar. We can hear both, and that's pretty much the setup. If you like what I've shown you, please subscribe. Please press that like button and enjoy making some really good music with beautiful sound. I'm Radiance. See you next time.
One aim, one love, one destiny. I saw them say when they wanna fool we saw me. Put the fire upon their iniquity. Come in now, nobody come try fool we.